another light.
Well, they can turn, but yeah.
This
Okay,
guy should
go! You can go.
make the turn. You can turn. You can turn.
Go!
What are you waiting for? You can make a right on a red.
If she sits here again and waits, after all this, I'm going to go up and say, you can turn. Go!
Go.
Oh my God.
Holy.
You're a idiot.
Learn to drive.
God.
What the hell is that guy in the white vehicle doing?
Debating.
What the
Stupid ass.
doing?
What are you doing? It's a woman, isn't it?
Yep.
I think.
Whoa.
What?
Idiot.
Where'd he come from?
He passed this guy on the right just so we can get ahead of him.
Oh my.
And he cut us.
Lord.
He cut in right behind us. Idiot.
Just so he could get through the light? Did he get?
No, so we could be first. We could race off the light to get ahead.
Oh, okay.
See, I can hear him winding up there, going off now.
Oh. God, there's never a cop around.
Nice red light.
Yeah. I knocked on her trailer. I said, can I talk to you for a minute? She goes, sure. I go, you got to be on time. Now he's doing you a favor. He's giving you a ride on his plane. He doesn't have to do that. And the guy's got to get there.
Unbelievable. I can't believe this guy did that. Solid line on a hill.
She was right